Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an amazing Indian homemade Ubtan or face mask recipe. This Ubtan works like miracle on your face. It gives you visible bridal glow, smoothens your skin, makes your skin more healthier and brighter, and gives you natural fairness. It also removes dark circle and suntan. Let's see what are the ingredients we need. 2 tablespoons besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon almond oil, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, and a clean bowl. At first, add 2 tablespoons of besan in a bowl. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 tablespoon almond oil and mix all the 3 ingredients together. Now add 3 tablespoons of milk and start mixing all the ingredients together. It will take some time to mix this because we don't want any lumps left in our Ubtan. Here I am adding another tablespoon of milk. Mix until the mixture is become smooth. Our Ubtan is ready to use. The texture will be thick as I am showing here. I will recommend you to apply this face mask twice a week. Do not apply it with brush because of its thick consistency. Apply this with your finger on your face and neck. You can also apply this on your body. After 20 minutes of applying, you will feel that the mask is drying and becoming very stiff. At this point, wash it off with lukewarm water. While removing the mask, rub your face in circular motion. It will better if you remove this mask under the shower. It helps you to remove the Ubtan easily. After removing, moisturize your face with a light